So I got something really cool in the mail today, and I'm going to talk about it. Now, it's sitting under the Christmas tree, and I'm supposed to wait until Christmas, but I don't think I'm going to. So Eric and I both bought Switchpods. Now, this isn't a paid endorsement. We actually saw other YouTubers starting to use these, so we said, let's get it and let's see what it, is, and let's see if we really like it. So mine came in the mail. Eric is actually going to keep his and wait till Christmas. It's supposed to be a gift, but I'm going to actually open this today. And I know the first thing a lot of people do is they do a thorough unboxing video. So let's get started with that. Okay, you ready? That's it. That was the unboxing video. Here's the Switchpod. Here's the box it came in. Super simple. No instructions, no nothing. Just a really clean package and design. So this is my first time holding a Switchpod, and it's very cool. So in the ad, they flip it open, and it does work. You can just flip it open. Really nice. This is a solid feeling. So this is just going to be my quick impressions. Obviously, I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to just, mess around with it a little bit here. Now, I have my Canon M50 here. I'm shooting this on my phone today, so if it doesn't look so great, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. But I have a tripod plate on here, and I'm going to use it with a ball head and without a ball head. Now, I think to put this on, it has this little, you just twist it on here. It's actually very easy. You just twist that on right there. Okay, now it's on. So I can adjust it any way I want. So if I wanted to vlog, it just sits out like this. And it's actually, it's a very comfortable, situation. Yeah. So let's see. And then if I wanted to put it down, it goes like that. So let's actually turn the camera on, and we'll see how it actually looks. So this is one of the reasons why we love the M50 is the screen. Just flip it out. So let's actually record a little bit here and see what it looks like. Now I have a 22 millimeter lens on here. So there you go. It's actually a nice field of view. Okay. I actually like this a lot. I'll cut in the video from what I'm actually taking on the M50 here so you can see what it looks like. But so far, it's very comfortable. This is a really comfortable way to hold it. I'm going to show you what I used to use. So for any kind of vlogging that we used to do, I would use this. This is, if you can see it, it's a GorillaPod. Similar in size, but the ergonomics of a GorillaPod are not great. Your hand kind of fits around the outside like this. I don't know. It's just not the most comfortable. This is perfect for your hand. I mean, really, it's great. And when my arm fully extended, this is the field of view with a 22, so basically a 35 millimeter equivalent. This is great. And if I wanted to get in closer, like hold it comfortable, I like it. Yeah, this is really nice. I like the whole feel of it. So that's what it looks like from my end. It's a nice, very well engineered piece of gear. So on here, I have a ball head. Now, you can also use the Switchpod with a ball head. So let's see what's going to happen here. So let's put this down on the ground. All right, so I'm going to put it down on the ground here. All right, so I really don't want to get down like this. So I would want to put a ball head on here so I could tilt it up. So let's put a ball head on it. Okay, so I've added an old Oben ball head that I had laying around the house onto the Switchpod. So it's a little bit bigger, with the ball head on it, but it's not super heavy. So I have the mounting plate on the bottom of the M50. So let's put it on, see how it goes. Okay, so we're recording again. Now it's definitely a little bit heavier with the ball head on it. And it's not a tiny setup either. If I don't even have a microphone on here. So if I had my microphone on here, it would definitely be, people would see it. I mean, it's not a small setup, But what's great about this now with the ball head on it, let's try that again where I go down low. So let's say I wanted to vlog like this. All right, we've all seen this move where the guy comes in and does this whole thing. All right, so that's am I in focus? It actually, you can articulate it like that, which makes it easy to, adjust how you have it. So if I put it on here, I want to quickly adjust, how I look here. Okay. So I can come in and talk to it. And it makes it very easy to then grab it. And now I'm vlogging again. So I like it so far. I have to say the actual design, it's real sleek. Fits in your hand really nice. It's comfortable. And it's very easy to open and close. It just kind of snaps. But then it's some sort of, I think it's magnetic at the bottom here. Well, there's a little bit of a magnetic catch here, but it's not super strong. Seems to hold better that way. But I guess that's why you can just kind of flick it open like this and it stays open. So this is just a little quick first look at this. It's cold outside. I was going to take this outside. I hate the cold. And I don't want to use it. I don't want to go out there. This is something that over the next few months, Eric and I are both going to be using. And I'm really curious to see how it performs. It's a nice tool. I love purpose-built stuff. I mean, this is great that somebody thought to design this specifically for people who are vlogging or doing, this kind of, video shooting. And the fact that I can now use this as a small tripod is even better. Because when I open this up and put this down, I could put this, anywhere. It's a nice, stable, I could probably put my DSLR in here with no issue at all. I mean, this is solid. I'm sure this could hold it. I take the camera off. It's fairly small to pack for travel. And now if I'm only going to be vlogging and I wanted to just use this is another great thing. The fact that they put a screw built into the bottom here so you can quickly attach your camera. You don't have to spin anything on and off. I mean, that's fantastic. Look at that. Really great. Really well built. I mean, you can kind of see it. Very nicely done. And it moves very freely. It's very free moving. But look how small this is. I mean, literally, I could throw this in my back pocket. So where could you walk with a tripod and just throw it in your back pocket like that? Pull it out. And I have a tripod that I could put a DSLR on. So this is really awesome. My opinions on this are going to change, I'm sure, as I use it. This might become one of my favorite tools to have in my bag. Doesn't take up a lot of room. It's light. It's inexpensive. It was only $89. And it solves a few problems for me. Sorry if the video quality is not great. I'm shooting this on my phone, and but I wanted to use the M50 as an example of how you can mount this and everything. Okay, see you in the next video.